Open Set Shower Waterproofing System. The Open Set assures perfectly sealed waterproofing for all shower areas and provides the professional installer with a unique system which allows the membrane to drain connection to adapt to any clamping ring type shower drain, regardless of the sloped base height. The Open Set includes waterproofing for large or small shower floor areas and a whole range of water-stop waterproofing accessories to properly install it, whether with standard clamping ring type drains or with drains with an integrated bonding flange. The system is easy to install, needing no special products or tools. The bonded waterproof membrane is installed using modified thin-set mortar and a notched trowel. Connect the drain to the waste pipe. Follow the manufacturer instructions for this operation. Build a 1/4 inch per foot 2% sloping mortar bed using floor mix mortar. If you are installing a wooden subfloor, install a cleavage membrane and add galvanized mesh to reinforce the mud layer. Secure it with galvanized staples. Remove the clamping ring. Place the plastic template over the drain base. Reinsert and slightly tighten the bolts. Pile mortar around the template up to the desired height or the top edge of the template. Using the top edge of the template as a guide allows getting 1 to 1/4 inch thickness of mortar bed. W-S DRAINFLASH is a collapsible dish-shaped preformed section of the water stop membrane that can be installed varying its depth. Once the base is set, remove the installation template. Apply 2 beads of W-S mastic sealant around the drain hole, opening a small amount of modified thin-set mortar in the wall of recess left by the template and to the floor area around it. Lay W-S DRAINFLASH over the top of the drain. Reset the clamping ring and tighten the bolts. Lay the sheet of water stop. Locate the drain hole by pushing down on the membrane. Feel the edges of the drain recess and mark the spot. Remove the sheet from the shower and cut out the marked hole. To seal between the drain flashing and the membrane, apply 2 continuous beads of sealant in concentric circles, and then a 3rd drop interspersed in a zigzag pattern. Apply the modified thin-set mortar to the floor area from the sealant beads outwards, troweled in parallel rows. Lay the water stop sheet into the fresh bonding material. Then bond the membrane by pressing with the flat side of the trowel. Extend the membrane of the wall 4 to 6 inches and install the preformed corner accessories provided. The waterproofing membrane should be a continuous system covering the entire pan, up the walls and over the curb. Install the Open Set along with water stop membrane in rolls to get a completely waterproofed shower area ready for the installation on walls as well as floors. The dimpled base of the template is a detachable part to be used as a positive weep holes protector. Cut out the detachable base following the cutting lines. Use a utility knife or similar. Before installing the strainer assembly, place the obtained dimpled ring over the clamping ring with the blisters down to protect the weep holes from clogging. Reset the drain strainer body, then fill the dimpled ring with mortar to level flush the waterproofing membrane. Install tiles using the thin bed method directly on the waterproofing membrane with modified thin-set mortar. The bonded waterproof membrane gives better moisture control than traditional loose-laid liners by protecting all substrate tiles below from water getting under the surface and stagnating so that the water floor is free of saturated material, mold growth, bad smell, and moisture deterioration. Guru Shower Systems, the safer solution.